Hello. Extra virgin olive oil is the juice, the living, breathing juice of the olives that are pressed. And we usually don't think about it that way. It's very important to realize that this is a biological asset that you want to continue to keep alive so that as you're consuming it, you're also getting the nutrients that olive oil has to offer. So surprisingly, modern processing, we often think that processing of food is a bad thing, but modern processing of olive oil has actually increased the benefits that can be kept. It's not increased the benefits are already there, but increased the capability of preserving those benefits so that when we use the product, we are getting the nutritional benefit that has been painstakingly produced so that it can be a benefit to our health. So in other words, olive oil is not like wine. It doesn't need to breathe. It doesn't need air. In fact, the air that gets into it causes oxidation, and then that bottle of olive oil has less nutrients that it contains. So obviously, when you're using olive oil at home and you open the bottle and you use it, when you set the bottle back down, recap it right away to make sure that you're not letting air into it. I became painfully aware of the differences just in the bottling of olive oil and the life cycle of it when I had to go out and buy a bottle of olive oil because I was out of the recommended one that I use and the only one that I've used in the last couple of years. But the minute that I opened up the cap from the bottle of olive oil, and even though it had a harvest date on it, even though it was in a dark glass bottle, even though it checked a lot of the things that I have to check off on my checklist, and I'll put a link to that in my description, even though it had all of those things, one thing that was hidden was the pour spout. So I took the cap off and I looked at the pour spout and I knew immediately I was in trouble. It was a big round pour spout that acts like a chimney for air to get into the olive oil. So if you can imagine, if you even let it sit on the counter for a minute or two, how much air it got into that olive oil and the nutrients that are missing. So I have a graphic of that on the thumbnail. I hope you'll take a look at the difference in the pour spouts and the differences in how good olive oil really pays, a good olive oil producer really pays attention to the details. So don't be fooled by creative marketing and by creative labels and labeling. Look a little deeper for quality. It'll go a very long way in what you are actually consuming. Olive oil is it is just pure gold for your health if you pay attention to these details and if you get a good bottle of it and use it liberally. The antioxidants and what it delivers for you is amazing. So thank you for stopping by my channel. If you're a subscriber, thank you so much. If you aren't, please subscribe to my channel. I'll continue to leave credible information for you and others that have the same interest. Thanks again for stopping by.